So I'm going to listen to a worship song and then I'll just walk you through my process. This is just, I'm sharing tips, not tutorials in-depthly on how to play these techniques. I'll just tell you what those techniques are so that you can also check them out by yourself. The good thing is I've created a lot of worship guitar techniques. And so if you don't understand how to play any of these techniques, just check my channel for some of these videos, all right? So I'm playing a video here by Sumi Solar. So the first thing I usually do is to get the key of the song. So when there's a charge going on like this, I just play my notes. So we're in the key of B flat. So it's important to know which effects to use, all right? Yeah? So I'm playing clean. So the effects I'm using, my reverb, delay, and just clean guitar. So the chord progression, the 6, the 4, and the 1. So when a song is playing like this, you can play the chords clean. You don't need to start playing, you know, but you can also play triads. All right? Alright? So you just repeat the same process. Then now you can start playing your notes. So I'm playing the major scale. Alright? You can stay on your clean. So just try and listen to the song if the energy is rising or going down so that you know when to play those heavy stuffs. Right? Alright? So I'm not using a pedal now. I'm using my FL Studio on my laptop. Alright? Okay. So the real intro is so when the song is building up, so you can switch to this distortion here. So at this point, you can now switch to using distortion, alright? So let me try and use my distortion. Alright? Alright? So this is just me playing around with lead lines now. Alright? So just listen to the song and then know at what point to play lead lines. So right now, I think the song has changed. Alright, this is another song. So you can go back to playing chords now at this point when she's soloing the song. Alright, when she's leading the song, you can give her space. So alright, I'm playing chords here. Yeah. So just the same pattern. Okay, I'm playing chords throughout. So this gives you a chance to think about what to play next. So be mindful of when the song is building up, alright? Yeah. Alright? So the song is building up gradually. It's building up. Then you can switch to lead lines, but the bass notes of the lead lines. Okay. Alright, we're going. That's soon gonna change. So I'm playing the lead lines of the song. You are God, and we worship you. I miscount. You are God. Again. so you can go back. All right. So, and we okay. So yeah, that is how I usually play on worship songs. Like, these are just the tips I use. Like, this video wasn't that I'm going to show you how to play your scale. I've created all of those things before. So if you don't know how to play major scale, you have no business watching this video, right? Watch how to play the major scale. Watch how to solo. You must understand how to solo. You must understand your basics. Understand the fretboard. These are the things that will help you to understand exactly what I'm doing, and also understanding triads and all those. If you have not watched my guitar playlist on how to play worship, please check it out. And if you don't know how to solo, I've created a course already that teaches all of those things. So make sure you watch them out before coming back to this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't, and the notification should be on so that you get videos when next I put it up. Cheers.